Step into the 2013 Toyota RAV4. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.